Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to track your net worth using Copilot Money. If you're just tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips on managing your finances like a pro. First things first, what's Copilot Money? It's a user-friendly app that acts as your personal finance dashboard. It connects to your bank accounts, investments, and other assets to give you a clear picture of your financial health. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned money manager, this tool makes tracking effortless. Now, why should you care about tracking your net worth? It's basically your financial scorecard. It adds up all your assets, like savings and investments, and subtracts your liabilities, such as loans and credit card debt. This helps you see if you're building wealth over time, spot potential issues early, and stay motivated toward your goals. In a world where financial surprises can pop up anytime, knowing your net worth keeps you in control. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Download the Copilot Money app from your phone's app store and create an account. It's quick and secure. Just use your email or link it to your Google account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, connect your financial accounts. The app guides you through linking your banks, credit cards, and investment platforms. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your privacy. Step 3. Navigate to the net worth section in the app. You'll see a dynamic dashboard that automatically calculates your net worth based on the data you've linked. It even breaks it down into categories like cash, real estate, and debts. Step 4. Customize your setup. Add any manual entries for assets not automatically detected, set up graphs to track changes over time, and create alerts for when your net worth hits certain milestones. Finally, make it a habit. Check your net worth weekly or monthly to monitor progress and adjust your budget as needed. Copilot Money even offers insights and tips based on your data. There you have it. Tracking your net worth with Copilot Money is straightforward and empowering. Give it a try and take charge of your finances today. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.